Although my native place is Kolkata, but since some years I'm residing here. I'm very much I was very much heartbroken when I lost my phone in the month of November 2024. I purchased it some months back only, but I lost it while traveling with my daughter. I left it in the auto actually. But I was traveling in Uber, so I called them repeatedly that I lost my phone in the auto, but they disagreed. I felt very much heartbroken, and I thought I lost the hope of receiving back my phone. I thought I'll never get it back, as it happens in Kolkata several times, but I never got it back. So the same thought was there in my mind. But I'm so happy. 2 days back, I got a call from Sailaja madam. She called me all of a sudden, and I was really very much scared. I'm getting call from police station. What wrong I did? I was very afraid. But glory to God that I got the call that I got my phone back. I got the call for that. That please, madam, come and collect your phone. I was overjoyed. Thank you to Telangana Police. A big round of applause. আমি ভীষণভাবে খুশি হয়েছি যে তেলেঙ্গানা পুলিশ আমার এই ফোনটাকে পেতে সাহায্য করেছে। আমি ভাবতে পারিনি, এটা আমার আনন্দের থেকেও কি বলবো, আমি এক্সপ্রেস করতে পারছি না আমার আনন্দ। থ্যাংক ইউ, ধন্যবাদ তেলেঙ্গানা পুলিশ।
স্যার যারা রাইট স্যার ఓకే
ఈశ్వరమ్మ భావన పవన్ కుమార్
पाले ना फोन पाले फोन
Thank you.